Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the one-handed mode shortcut on Android. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings app to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Now scroll down and choose the accessibility option on the screen. This menu contains additional options for customizing your accessibility features. Step 3. Next, scroll down to locate the System Controls option. Tap on it. Step 4. Now locate the one-handed mode option. Tap on it. Scroll down. Unfortunately, this one-handed mode shortcut is turned off. Step 5. For the last and most important step, tap on the one-handed mode shortcut to turn it on. If you have changed the one-handed mode shortcut feature, tap the one-handed mode shortcut again. Then, see the two options. Tap Accessibility button or hold volume keys. Choose the option you like best, then tap the Save option. Or, do you want to turn the option off again? Tapping the one-handed mode shortcut option will turn it off instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.